Hey there!
Hey!
Are you getting married soon? Or do you have someone that is getting married soon?
Mm-hmm.
Or do you just want to know how you can have a better experience on your wedding night? This video is for you. We know that the wedding night comes with a lot of anticipation, a lot of tension, a lot of how is it going to be and all that. That's why you need to stay tuned and make sure you watch this video till the end.
Yeah.
Before we go in, disclaimer.
Disclaimer.
First disclaimer is that this video is for people that are getting married, not for boyfriends and girlfriends. All right. So as much as we are talking about how you can have a good sexual experience, we believe strongly that sex should be in the confines of marriage, and this advice is for people that are about to get married. All right. So don't go and use this video as an opportunity to have first time sex with your girlfriend.
Yeah, so
we don't think it's right. It is not okay.
It's not okay. And please bear with us, okay? Just bear with us. It might be a little bit TMI, a little bit juicy, but we'll try our best to, sugarcoat our words, as we always do. You know us, you know how we do our thing. As we always do, we'll try to sugarcoat it, just
so that we don't give too much graphic
exactly, because we know that everybody will be watching. Mature adults, young adults would actually watch this video, whether it is time to get married or not. So we'll try to sugarcoat. It's just for knowledge sake, it's just for education. We don't find this much education or this kind of education
and it's
much
important
in the Christian space.
to have, yes, it's important to have this education for Christians as well. That being said, if you're new here, my name is Michael.
My name is Faye.
And we are the Stalwart lovers.
Yes.
This channel is all about faith, relationship, and lifestyle. So make sure you hang in there, subscribe, and join the family if you already haven't.
Yes, and turn on your notification bell. Okay?
Very, very important.
Yes, and if you are returning, we love you. Thank you for coming back. If you just subscribed maybe within the last week or 2 weeks ago, we love you. You are highly appreciated. Thank you for subscribing. Make sure you turn on the notification bell. Make sure you engage with us. Watch other videos. Drop a comment, drop a like. Engage with us. We see the comments actually. We might not be able to respond to all, but we see them. Thank you guys
and we would love to welcome you if you are new to this family. Let's say you just subscribed in the last 1 week from when this video is released. Just drop it in the comment that, oh, I'm a new subscriber. I want to welcome you personally. Yeah. Okay, now that is enough said. Let's jump into the video.
Yeah.
Quick introduction. When we got married as virgins, and we have a video where we narrated our personal experience of our wedding night. Yeah. We're going to link the video up here. And we also realized after being married for almost 3 years that we made some mistakes at our wedding night, and we've done a video talking about 5 mistakes we made as virgins on our wedding night, and we'll also link that video so it can help you. But this video is not about our personal experience, it's about what you can do better, learning from the things we know we could have done better, and also information we've gathered out there. All right, first things first, the wedding night has to start with preparation. Yeah. So you have to prepare in different ways. But I'll start by saying prepare the room. The room where you want to have the football play. The room where you want to have the action, right? The room where you're going to be sleeping or spending your wedding night. Prepare the room. Make sure it is a comfortable place. Make sure you are not tense. Make sure it's not somewhere you are conscious about who is listening to you. Yeah. If you want to go to a resort, if you want to go to a hotel or a service apartment, just get somewhere comfortable for you and affordable, obviously. Preferably get like up to 2 or 3 night stays. Yeah. Right? If possible. Yes, if possible, as long as possible. So you give yourself that comfort, no pressure. Yes, very important. If you want, you could, spray petals on the bed. You can make sure you have, romantic candles and all those things. That's really, really left to you. But prepare the room however you are able to do so. Make it something comfortable for you. Yes.
And also prepare your body, smell nice, look good, anything you can do to just prepare your mouth health, I meant oral hygiene, your smell, like your perfumes, everywhere, your pubic areas, even if you cannot down below, even if you cannot shave bald, try to trim, keep it neat, keep it not super bushy. And some people are actually used to the blades and all that, so you can just cleanse.
Don't have a forest down there.
Exactly.
Like Sambusa forest.
Yes, just be watchful of your hygiene. Make sure you prepare your hygiene, prepare your body, make it neat, make it clean.
So that no part of your body is turning off your partner.
Exactly.
Very
no
important.
Smell or something.
Yeah, and
smell.
last level of preparation is that you should prepare your mindset. Prepare your mind about having sex for the first time. This video is for people that are virgins and people that are not virgins, but you've not had sex in a while. Maybe because there are Christians that are not virgins as well.
Yeah.
But you've been abstinent. You've been practicing abstinence, right?
Yeah.
So, prepare your mind. Know that sex does not have to happen that night.
Yeah.
It is a myth that you have to have sex that night or else your marriage is not complete. No. It is a myth. Right? So sex doesn't have to happen that night, especially if you are tired or it's just not flowing. So it's very important.
Yes, and sex is also very beautiful. Have that at the back of your mind. Whether you have been a virgin, even as a virgin that you don't know how it is, just tell yourself, know it in your mind that sex is beautiful. Sex is going to be amazing for me. It's going to be wonderful for me.
Yes.
No matter how it is on the first time.
Yes, very important. Also, it is a pure thing. Know it in your mind.
Yeah.
A lot of people, especially Christian brothers and Christian sisters, they have this mindset because they've been keeping themselves, no touching, nothing, no kissing and all those things, which is right, Now when you're married, you have license. You have license.
You can gotten the license.
Now you can touch a bum bum. You can touch a breast. You can suck it. Okay? You have license. Yes, I said it. Some people think that their holy mouth that they used to pray to God that they can't use it to suck, but suck it. TMI. We already give you disclaimer anyway. So it's important to know that it is a pure thing. God approves of it.
Yeah.
All right. So you can do it now. If you have sex outside marriage, is what God doesn't approve of. So now God approves of it. In fact, the angels are fanning you in case you are sweating. They are fanning you. Well done, bro. Well done, sis. Bele. All right. That's how it's happening. It's like there's alignment.
It's your imagination.
Yes, but it's true. It's true because we are surrounded by a innumerable company of what?
Oh shit.
Of angels. All right. So it's important for you to know that it is a pure thing, and it is okay to have it. All right. Now, preparing your mind is important. Also, prepare things that you will take along. Like you need to have your lubricants. You need to have good underwears and all those things like that. I think those ones are normal. Let's talk about the real thing. Let's jump into the main act.
The main act.
Yes.
Activity.
Yes. Let's talk about the main activity. I'm going to start by talking to men. Right? My wife will advise ladies and I will advise men majorly. So, as a man, on that wedding night, start by talking. Yes. All this sexting we have been telling you not to do in your single days. Now you are married. Sext it. Say a lot of sweet things with words. Say a lot of sweet things to her. Whet her appetite about sex. You let her know that I'm so glad you married me. Thank you so much for agreeing to go on this journey with me. I can't wait to unravel this gift, this precious gift that is covered in the containerized version. I can't wait to unravel it. I'm very sure that you are amazing. I want you to know that tonight is all about you. Let her know that tonight is all about her. Like tonight is all about you. Whatever you want, let me know. If you want us to just cuddle, that's fine. If you want us to go all the way, that's fine. If you want us to stop, anything you want, it's all about you. Why are you doing this? You are making her feel safe.
Yeah.
She needs to feel safe. Less tension. Tension is her enemy.
Yeah.
That night. My wife will talk more on that. So she needs to feel safe and relaxed. See, these things work magic. As you are saying all these things, she will just be feeling like literally grabbing you. So start with that, then move on to, sexual touches. Touch each other. Spend enough time doing this. Kiss every single part of our body.
I mean,
every part that is kissable.
Yes. I mean, you could check the erogenous zones.
Yes, there's what we call erogenous zones.
Or on Google.
There are some parts of the woman's body that are very, very sensitive. Even for men, you'll be shocked. So, take time exploring each other's bodies. Take your time. Let her feel comfortable with what you're doing. If you have to, there are many styles. You can take off one clothes one at a time and I'm just giving you an example. I'm not saying that's what you should do. You can go straight to the point and just start making out. But most importantly, be gentle and be patient. See, that word patience, that's the night that will test it. You have to be patient with her.
Yeah.
Because a lot is binding on the woman, and your sexual experience as a couple moving forward depends a lot. If the night goes very bad, for the next few months you might never even enjoy sex. I've had a lot of people talk to us about how the husband was not patient, just literally felt like she was abused, and sex just feels like wrong from that time. So you have to be patient. You don't want to give your new wife a wrong idea or impression about sex.
Yeah.
Alright, so that's very important to say. Yes,
and please take note of her. Just still to the guys, just to add to that. Take note of those erogenous zones, while kissing her and touching her in those places. Take note of how she reacts to them. And if she feels like you should stay there. Stay there. Stay as long as she wants. If you get what I mean. What turns her on, notice her reaction.
Yes, be sensitive to how she's responding to everything you're doing while you're exploring her.
Yes, while you're exploring.
Very, very good.
Yeah.
Very, very important.
Another thing I also want to add is, build that anticipation. And as a lady as well, this is where I'll start from. Also take turns with his body as well.
Yeah.
Don't just be the only one receiving from him at that point. Also take turns with him, also touch his body as well while he's also touching yours and kissing and everything like that.
Yeah.
And then also be relaxed. Be very, very relaxed. Like ease into it. Once you are thinking about the end goal too much, you've waited all this while.
Yeah.
Don't have penetration in your mind too much. Just have it that, I'm having a fun time, I'm having an amazing time, I'm enjoying myself in this moment. Just have that at the back of your mind. I'm having a chill time with my husband. Yeah. Don't think too much of,
how will it
after be? This now, we will soon now
go inside.
Don't even think too much about it. Let him explore your body. Enjoy the ride.
Enjoy the ride.
Pay attention to every chemical rush in your body.
Yeah.
Pay attention to how you feel, and how would I put it? Enjoy those feelings, and let it take over you.
And take your time on it.
Take your time on it.
Yes. It might be a strange feeling, but enjoy the feeling before you go on to phase 2. Very important.
Very important.
And you will know when you are relaxed and ready to now begin to attempt penetration.
Yeah.
You would know. All we're saying is very important. Make sure you do this. Now, there's also something called female erection. Some of you might be hearing it for the first time, but the woman can also be erect, in her private part. She might not even know, but she will feel it, you will know. And that's actually what helps women achieve orgasm during sex. So, why we're saying you should spend more time in foreplay is because it takes a longer time for a woman to be erect.
Yeah. Unlike
a man, just seeing a naked woman like this. Bang, bang, bang. Alright, so sorry about that. So that's why it's important for you to take time on that. Now let's say that you've gotten to a point where even the lady is telling you, see, let's go on. I'm ready.
I'm ready now.
Now proceed with caution, proceed gently, go and wash your hands very clean. And try with your fingers.
Yeah.
This is why we say try with your fingers. A lot of people have told us that was the magic for them. And it's obvious. The size of the finger compared to the size of the manhood is completely different. Especially if your wife is a virgin.
Yeah.
So start with the fingers. Start with one finger, then go on to 2 fingers. Before you even try to put in the finger, play around the area with the fingers.
And you can also use lube on your fingers.
Yes, definitely you should use lube on your fingers as well. Of course, make sure you have your nails cut.
Yeah.
Don't use your nails.
Long nails.
Yes. All those things, small details actually that can really destroy everything.
Yeah.
Yes. So start with the fingers. Begin to expand the fingers inside and all those things like that. Little by little. And then you can now try with your penis. And when you do that, go gently. with enough lubricant, water-based lubricant.
Yes.
Water-based lubricant.
And if she feels tight again, you have to start again.
And
like,
yes.
Exit and start
If
again.
she feels like it's painful, it's tight, you have to exit. You have to be calm and maybe let her try as well. Like let her be on top so she controls how much she goes in or how much she comes out. Very important. That could help. And if she doesn't want to do that, use the other position. But most importantly, let her be the captain of the ship. Let her be the one to say, let us sail east, sail west. Okay, stop, move back, try again.
Yeah.
Very, very important to be gentle.
Yes. So in this phase, just take your time. You have all day. You have all night. You have all the time we are going to, all the rest of your life actually.
All the rest of your life, exactly.
You have all the time in the world to just take it slowly and penetrate slowly. And even when penetration has happened, that's the next stage. When penetration
which might not happen that day.
Yes, let's just even be clear on that. If it doesn't ever happen,
fine, go to
sleep
bed.
off, go to bed and
try
rest.
again with the more
but if it happened, if it happens, that night, that does not mean that it's time to now
be doing the fast forward version.
Still proceed with care.
Yeah, very important.
Utmost care, because with all that trying to penetrate and everything, some soreness might have come in.
Yes.
Some tiredness in the muscles there might have come in.
Yeah.
So
true.
Still proceed with care.
And ask her,
yes.
Should we continue?
Yes. You don't have to actually ejaculate. If there is pain and some soreness there, you stop and let that place rest, so that when you start again, you're starting on a better slate.
Yes.
These things that we're saying, if you notice, we are just really being gentle and careful and everything right now, because it is important.
It is actually
proceed
very important
with care.
that you proceed with care. Like,
very important.
It cannot be overemphasized that you must be gentle as the man, and as the woman you must be relaxed.
Yeah.
Just take keywords: gentle, patient as a man, relaxed as a woman. That's all you need. Because see, there's science behind being tensed. Every anxiety and every tension you feel is your enemy. It tightens up your body.
Close up.
Yes, your vagina.
Your body and your mind
closes up, and it's not going to help.
Yeah.
Even those who have been having sex regularly in marriage, for example, there are still times when, if they are not relaxed, it's still difficult to penetrate at the very first time. The woman must still open up.
And that is why you have to start all this again. The second time you want to have sex, the third time you want to have sex, the fourth time you want to have sex, every time you're going to have sex from that point, start all this again. Foreplay. Prioritize foreplay. Don't just jump in. Let her be ready. Let the woman be ready. And we are saying woman because there's no gender equality in this one. Women's bodies are different. Men's bodies are different. A man would enjoy sex either ways, but a woman, it's subjective.
Yes.
If she was not prepared properly, she might not.
Yes, statistically, most men enjoy sex. Not all, but most men enjoy sex, and most women don't have ejaculation. They don't climax, and so many women just feel like sex is just you come in and
for babies.
Yeah. So you need to know that you are married. You are making love. This is love making now. It is not FUCKing. It's not just that. Like you see, I know that you have seen movies where people have quickies, and then one guy just grab a lady inside the library, then push her to the wall, and then as they are just doing, you just say, and then as if the guy has entered. Nah lie yo. So it doesn't work that way. It's a lie.
It's a lie.
So most sex scenes that you see in movies and even in porn, that's why porn is dangerous for you. It gives you the wrong mindset about what sex is. So you have to be gentle. It is love making. It is intimacy. It is fellowship. All right, you must finish having sex more in love with each other every day. And that is why a couple that has sex, regularly, they hardly have issues in their marriage. It's just it's proven. Data can prove it.
Yes.
So it's very, very crucial. Yeah.
Also, rate yourself every time you have sex. How was the sex? was it good? If it was good, communicate it. If it was somehow, communicate it. Like, oh, I think there was something we did wrong. There was this disconnection somewhere.
Yes.
I mean, and that is from those things that you actually learn how to do it better.
Yes.
Anyway, so this was for the wedding night. This is not for the rest of your life. So
yeah, so let's just focus on
keep it there.
Yeah, keep it there. But make sure you get feedback. Are you fine? How are you feeling? Blah blah blah. Very, very important. And that is it. So let us know your comments. If you have questions, I know we've talked about our own personal wedding experience. We've talked about mistakes we made as virgins on our wedding night, and now we're telling you how you can have a better wedding experience. If all these videos leave questions in your heart, please drop the questions in the comment section. We'll be reading through, we'll put them together, and we'll do a video answering those questions from our own sincere opinions. If we don't have answers to it, we'll do some research before we come to you so that we can give you good enough information. So drop your questions. Let us know that this is a question, and maybe we'll also do a question tag on Instagram. If the questions are not enough, maybe we'll do that. Very, very important. Drop your questions. And also don't forget to send this video to couples that are getting married in 1 month, 2 months, 3 months from now, 2 weeks from now. You might be saving a woman's sexual life. Yes. Because most Christian men don't know these things. Very sad but true. So share this video to everyone that you know. Make sure that you help somebody out there.
Yes, so if you enjoyed this video as much as we enjoyed filming it, please drop a like, subscribe if you haven't, turn on the notification bell, drop a comment, drop your questions, drop everything, share this video with everyone that you know. So till we come away again,
keep loving
and keep believing.
We are the Stalwart lovers.